turning the thermostat on. Simply press the tick button to power up the thermostat. Accessing the clock setting. Hold the tick button for a few seconds. Press the up, followed by the right arrow to navigate to clock, and press tick to confirm. Adjust the hours, then the minutes. Set the day, month, and the year. To return to the main screen, press the left arrow, then the down arrow, then press tick. Settings. There are several settings that can be changed to control things like maximum floor temperature or rate of change. Here's how you can access them. For full details of each setting, refer to the user manual. Highlight the power icon, press and hold the tick. Use the up arrow to navigate to setup, then press tick to confirm. These are the settings available: temperature format, switching differential, output delay, up or down, temperature limit, sensor selection, floor temperature limit, optimum start, rate of change, program mode, DST, daylight saving, program type. To exit the settings, press the tick. Press down arrow to highlight the power icon, then press tick. Frost protection. The frost protection mechanism will turn the heating on when the temperature drops below the freezing threshold. This stops the pipes from freezing and damaging your system. Highlight the power icon, press tick once to enable frost protection. To remove frost protection, press tick. Hold mode. The hold function allows you to manually override the current operating program and set a different temperature for a desired period. Press the right arrow to navigate to hold. Press tick once. Set the hour that you would like. Then set the minutes. Set your desired temperature. To exit hold mode, press tick and tick again. Holiday mode. Holiday mode allows the heating system to be disabled until a specific date, where it will then resume normal operation automatically. Press the right arrow to navigate to Holiday, then press tick to select. First, set the end time for the holiday mode, then set the day, month, and year. To exit holiday mode, press the tick button twice. Schedule. The thermostat can have 4 comfort levels. These will set the temperature throughout the day to fit your lifestyle. Press the right arrow to navigate to Edit, then press Tick to select. The first schedule period is Wake. Press Tick to enter it. Set the hour and minutes. Then set the desired temperature. Use the right arrow to move to the next schedule period. Repeat the same steps to set the time and temperature for each period. When you have finished, navigate to Done using the right arrow, then press Tick to confirm and return to the home screen. Resetting the thermostat. Highlight the power icon, then press and hold the tick button until the setup and clock options appear on the screen. Use the up arrow to select Setup. Press and hold the tick button again until all symbols appear. Then press Tick to confirm. E1 error. The E1 error code indicates that the remote floor probe is not connected. Check the wiring and ensure it has been installed correctly. To clear the E1 error, press and hold the tick button on the highlighted power icon. Press the up arrow to select Setup, then press tick to enter. Navigate to setting 5, Sensor Selection. Use the left arrow to change the value to 0, 0, then press tick to confirm. Press the down arrow to return to the power icon, then press tick to go back to the home screen. For full details of our entire product range, visit our website at www.fastwarm.com.